Children's hospitals nationwide reporting now a spike in COVID infection hospitalizations. Cook Children's in Fort Worth says it is now preparing for cases to keep rising. Andrea Lucia, she spoke to a doctor there about what to expect as schools reopen.
This is not a hill. It's a vertical climb in number of cases and in percent positivity for us.
Dr. Mary Suzanne Whitworth with Cook Children's in Fort Worth says the number of pediatric hospitalizations for COVID is rising faster than ever before.
With this, our percent positivity rate went 3, 9, 12, 20 in about 4 or 5 days. And our inpatient population tripled in 1 week.
At its peak this past September, Dr. Whitworth says the hospital had about 50 children admitted for COVID. It now has 29, but a week ago, there were just 8. Whitworth says the jump in hospitalizations isn't necessarily due to the Omicron variant making kids any more severely sick, but the sheer number of kids it's infected. And she says the hospital is expecting things will get worse just as children head back to school.
I expect those to continue to go up. Not just so much because of school. I think a good deal of this is that there have been a tremendous number of holiday gatherings, travel, and so I think that's what's spurring what is going on now because it's really happening now.
The good news, she says, is children 5 and up are eligible for the vaccine, and she recommends they get it.
Their chances of winding up in the hospital or being severely ill with COVID if they're vaccinated, even with the Omicron variant, are very low.
Dr. Whitworth says it should be safe for vaccinated children to head back to school next month, but she recommends they keep wearing a mask, spacing out, and washing their hands, because even if it is unlikely to put them in the hospital, COVID is not something you want them to catch. Andrea Lucia, CBS 11 News.